Mahendra Singh Dhoni, also known as MS Dhoni, is a legendary Indian cricketer whose rise to utmost fame in early 21st century climaxed in his leadership of Indian cricket team that ultimately won One Day World Cup of 2011. He is a former Indian international cricketer who captained the Indian national team in the limited over formats from 2007 to 2016 and in Test cricket from 2008 to 2014. Mahendra Singh Dhoni retired from international cricket on August 15, 2020. Before start the video, if you like to buy exclusive collection of men and women from Amazon, you can check the link of my Amazon store given in the description below. Let's talk about MS Dhoni's lifestyle. His real name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. His nickname is MSD, MS, Mahi, Captain Cool. He was born on 7 July 1981. His hometown is in Ranchi, Jharkhand, India. By profession, he is a cricketer. MS Dhoni has been a former captain of the Indian cricket team. Under his captaincy, MS Dhoni has won many trophies to the Indian cricket team. He is the man who made India proud of winning several trophies. He is considered the best captain ever in the history of Indian cricket team. His education. He completed his school education from DAV Jawar Vidya Mandir, Shyamli, Ranchi, Jharkhand. For his higher education, he joined the St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, but he could not complete his graduation because of some issues. His family. Dhoni belongs to a middle-class Rajput family from Ranchi, Jharkhand, India. His father's name is Pan Singh, who is an employee at Mekon. His mother's name is Devki Devi, who is a homemaker. His sister's name is Jayanti Gupta. His brother's name is Narendra Singh Dhoni, who is a politician. His wife's name is Sakshi Dhoni. His daughter's name is Jiva Dhoni. His career journey. His journey to the Indian cricket team was really tough. Earlier, he was a goalkeeper in a local football team. A cricket coach noticed him while goalkeeping and asked him to try his hand at wicket-keeping. He played several local tournaments and became a local star. Although he was playing really well for Bihar since 1998, he was not getting a chance for playing in the Indian team. He moved to West Bengal and got the post of ticket collector at Kharagpur railway station and continued his job for 3 years. Eventually, on 23 December 2004, he made his one-day international debut against Bangladesh at Chittagong. The same year, he got selected for India a tour of Zimbabwe and Kenya, where he performed exceptionally well. He made his Test and T20 debut in 2005 and 2006 respectively. In 2007, he was offered captaincy of the Indian team on the recommendation of Sachin Tendulkar. And since then, he took the Indian team to highest like never before. Under his captaincy, India won the T20 World Cup 2007, World Cup 2011, Champions Trophy 2013, and India became the #1 Test team and remained at the top for 18 months. His net worth: salary approximately 15 crore. His net worth in 2020 approximately $205 million. His car and bike collection. MS Dhoni is not only famous for his exemplary performance in the sport, but also well known for his wide range of cars and motorcycles collection. Cars: Ferrari 599 GTO, Hummer H2, Audi Q7, Land Rover Freelander, and many more. Bikes: Confederate Hellcat X132, Kawasaki Ninja H2, Kawasaki Ninja ZX 14R, Harley Davidson Fatboy, and many more. Relationship status: Dhoni married Sakshi Singh Rawat on 4 July 2010 after dating her for a long time. Before dating Sakshi, Dhoni was in a relationship with Priyanka, who died in 2002. Later, he dated a South Indian actress named Lakshmi Rai. Mahendra Singh Dhoni retired from international cricket on August 15, 2020. Many wishes to Dhoni for his future. Thank you very much for making India proud.